Here's a 2017 Buick Encore. Your journey to the urban jungle awaits, and this SUV is well suited for the adventure. It comes with the features you need, and better yet, want. Intercooled turbo inline 4-cylinder engine, manual tilting steering column, Bluetooth wireless audio streaming, manual telescoping steering column, doors and push-button start proximity key, active noise cancellation, aluminum wheels, OnStar 4G LTE Wi-Fi hotspot, and power heated mirrors. From automobile, the Buick Encore offers reasonable fuel economy, impressive driving dynamics, and an upscale interior at a sweet spot price that makes it accessible to those who normally shop brands that are more conventional. Experience a different kind of luxury with a Buick. Driving is believing. Test drive it today.
Brad Deery Auto Discount Center. Stop in and see us today at 112 North 2nd Street in Maquoketa, Iowa, just 1 mile east of Highway 61 on Highway 64.